Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to fix the Binance login passkey problem. Okay, if you have the Binance Passkey verification problem, then what you need to do is first at least switch your device or your browser, use another browser to do this, okay? And ensure you're logged into the correct email while you're doing this. Just wait for a few minutes before you select the My Passkeys are not available option, or you can try an alternative verification method as well. Try it with your Google account if you have that available. That is what I did, okay? Or like your password, your email and password, and that's how I managed to actually log in here, as you can see. And if these issues are still persisting, you may actually need to contact Binance customer support, okay? And what will happen, they'll reset your passkey, but that will require you to submit a video verification, okay? Otherwise, it's really that easy. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.